morning. Welcome to our assembly this morning. Welcome to those who've joined us before, and welcome also to those who are joining us for the first time. Each day we're going to have a Bible story, a song and some activities. We hope you enjoy them. We will be online every Tuesday and Thursday at 9:45. We're going to start with a chant. Do make up some actions and do join in. It goes like this. Lock down, think deep, listen up, share why.
When I was younger, I used to collect High School Musical stickers. The film High School Musical was really popular at the time. I had several different books for them to be stuck into. Each time you bought a pack of stickers, you were never sure which numbers you would get and whether you would already have that sticker. When you had multiple of the same sticker, you would then find a friend and exchange the stickers for ones that you didn't already have. Some of the stickers were shiny and they were really hard to find. It was always exciting to see whether you would get new stickers or whether they would be the same as what you'd already got. And if they were new stickers, what would the pictures on those stickers be?
In the sky, made the clouds a tower high. We worship you. You scatter stars with holy hands, dusted rock with golden sands. We worship you. It's a beautiful world out there, simply awesome beyond compare. It's a beautiful world out there, and it's made by you. We bow down, humbled by the world you made, King of love and King of grace. Our voices in wonder and louder than thunder roar. You completely take our breath away. Our simple prayer is this each day. We long for your love, Lord, to hit like a tidal wave, tidal wave, tidal wave, like a tidal wave. You made the mighty oceans roar, stretch them out from shore to shore. We worship you. You breathe and life cascaded through, dance the song of joy to you. We worship you. It's a beautiful world out there, simply awesome beyond compare. It's a beautiful world out there, and it's made by you. We bow down, humbled by the world you made, King of love, King of grace. Our voices in wonder and louder than thunder roar. You completely take our breath away. A simple prayer is this each day. We long for your love, Lord, to hit like a tidal wave, tidal wave, tidal wave, like a tidal wave. All you've made and all you've done in this place, let praise be sung. For all you made and all you've done in this place, let praise be sung. For all you made and all you've done in this place, let praise be sung. For all you made, all you've done in this place, let praise be sung. We bow down, humbled by the world you made, King of love and King of grace. Our voices in wonder and louder than thunder roar. You completely take our breath away. A simple prayer is this each day. We long for your love, Lord, to be like a tide. We bow down.
Good morning and welcome to our story today from Mrs. K. The story about the silly, greedy farmer. Jesus told this story about a farmer. One summer all his wheat grew and grew. He had such a big crop. The farmer thought he was very clever. "I'm not selling or sharing any," he said. "I'll keep it all for myself. I grew it, so I will keep it. It's mine, mine, mine. My barns are too small, so I'll pull them all down and build bigger ones," said the farmer. So the silly, greedy farmer built new barns and filled them up. He felt so proud of himself. "How clever I am," he thought. "I've grown so much wheat, I will never have to work again." But that very night, the silly, greedy farmer died. Now who did all the wheat belong to? It was no use at all to the farmer after he was dead. Jesus told this story to help us to see that the things we have only last for a little while. We can't take them with us when we die. To know God and to love Him is better than being rich or having lots of things. God wants us to share with others who need help. Whatever we do for God lasts forever, even in heaven. But the things we have don't last forever. They can get lost, used, wasted, and then we don't have them in heaven.
Today we've been thinking about being happy with what you have. And so what we'd like you to do today is blow some bubbles outside. For each bubble you blow, thank God for the things that you have. This might be your toys, your pets, your family and friends, or even something that you're doing or making during lockdown.
Hey! Ho! Here we go. Hey! Ho! Nothing's too big, big, big for His power. Nothing's too little, little for His care. Nothing's too big, big, big for His power. Nothing's too really, really for His care. Here comes the elephant. Big, big, big for His power. Nothing's too insy, wincy for His care. And here comes the bus. Nothing's too big, big, big for His power. Nothing's too teeny, weeny for His care. He is God of the big, God of the little, God of the stuff, somewhere in the middle. The King of moving mountains loves you more than you will ever know. Nothing's too big, nothing's too big, big, big for His power. Nothing's too little, little for His care. Nothing's too big, big, big for His power. Nothing's too really, really for His care. Here comes the elephant. Too big, big, big for His power. Nothing's too insy, wincy for His care. Nothing's too big, big, big for His power. Nothing's too teeny, weeny for His care. He is God of the big, God of the little, God of the stuff, somewhere in the middle. The King of moving mountains loves you more than you will ever know. Nothing's too big, nothing's too big, nothing's too small, nothing's too much. He cares for all. Nothing's too big, nothing's too small, nothing's too much. He cares for all. Nothing's too big, nothing's too small, nothing's too much. He cares for all. Nothing's too big, nothing's too small, nothing's too much. He cares for all. He's God of the big. He's God of the big, God of the little, God of the stuff, somewhere in the middle. The King of moving mountains loves you more than you will ever know. Are you ready? Get your thoughts. Here we go. Hey!
In our story today, the rich fool kept everything that he had for himself. It's good to share things though, isn't it? I think sometimes we actually enjoy our things more if we share them. Think today what you can share with, maybe if you're back at school, with a friend at school, or with your brother or sister, or with your parents. Maybe you've got some sweets that you can share. Maybe you're good at cooking and you can make some cakes and you could share those. Maybe you've got lots of toys and you can maybe share some by giving some away, or maybe just share them by playing with others with them. Also be mindful of those that don't have much and think about them. If you don't think you've got anything you can share, maybe you can draw someone a picture and you can share with them by giving them that. We hope you have a good day.